Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping, and I help Shopify sellers to set up, organize, and streamline their financial systems, whether you're looking for DIY, done with you, or done for you financials. In this video, I'll explain how you can find the right bookkeeper for your growing Shopify business. Are you ready to outsource your bookkeeping for your Shopify business, but you're not really sure how to find a qualified bookkeeper? If you have been watching my videos, you know that Shopify accounting is complex, and that's why it's so important to find the right bookkeeper. But did you know that there are different kinds of bookkeepers? I'll go over with you the 3 types of bookkeepers that you generally will find and how you can decide what's best for your growing Shopify business. There are generally 3 types of bookkeepers: a basic bookkeeper, a specialist, and an advisor. Let's go over each one. The basic bookkeeper is really more focused on just recording transactions that I would call just money in, money out. They generally don't have experience with Shopify and e-commerce accounting, so they're more generalists. They tend to record sales just as reported exactly how they're deposited in the bank account, so they're net of fees and deductions. They don't know how to track inventory, cost of goods sold, and sales taxes. They're not familiar with integrations between QuickBooks and Shopify, and they're not really focused on helping you streamline your financial processes. And the services that you might find that provide this level of bookkeeping are Bench, Bark, Belay, QuickBooks Live, and others. Now, from a revenue perspective, this type of bookkeeper is generally a good fit for a business with under $200,000 in annual revenues and probably even under $100,000 in annual revenues. The second type of bookkeeper is a specialist, and the specialist is more focused on giving you clarity into your profits and really streamlining your processes. They generally do specialize in Shopify accounting and understand e-commerce. They will report the components of income, so your income, deductions, refunds, returns, and fees. They will track inventory and cost of goods in the financials. They reconcile the payment processor deposits and clearing accounts, which is really important for Shopify sellers, is making a reconciliation between the amounts sold and the amounts received from all of the different payment processors. They understand sales taxes, income tax issues, and other complex issues. And they have a proven method and tools for integrating Shopify and QuickBooks online. A specialist is generally a good fit for a business with over $200,000 in annual revenues. The third type of bookkeeper, and it's really getting outside of being a bookkeeper and more of an advisor. The advisor is proactively helping you grow and streamline your business. They are a Shopify specialist. They have a good understanding of streamlining operations, bringing in inventory management apps, managing multi-channel, and bringing in integrations with QuickBooks. They focus on key performance indicators and financial dashboards and really take the historical financial data and really plan for the future. And they provide advisory and accountability sessions. And generally a business with over $500,000 in revenues at some point will need the help of an advisor. Regardless of the type of bookkeeper that you work with, there are certain things that you need to expect from them. And there are certain things that you need to look for in regards to their expertise. Are they certified in QuickBooks Online if that's the software that you're using? Are they an experienced bookkeeper or accountant? Are they specialized in Shopify accounting? Do they have a streamlined method for syncing Shopify and QuickBooks Online? Do they understand sales taxes? And do they understand how inventory and cost of goods sold should be tracked on the books? You should also expect certain things from a bookkeeper when it comes to their business practices. Do they have the capacity to take you on as a client, or are they just too busy and overwhelmed? Are they tech savvy? Do they price their services using fixed pricing instead of hourly? I highly recommend finding bookkeepers who are giving fixed pricing for their services. Do they give you a clear agreement, or do you have a clear agreement on the outcomes and deliverables that they will provide to you? Do they provide you a written service agreement and engagement letter? And are they responsive to you? Are they going to respond to you when you have a question or when you need something, or is it going to be days and weeks before you hear from them? I hope this has helped you to gain a clear understanding of the type of bookkeeper that you should be working with, and to understand that you need to ask questions to know what their level of experience and expertise is, and also to understand their business practices and how they're going to work with you. I'm Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping. Are you ready to work with an experienced and reliable Shopify accounting pro? Then check the description below to learn more about my services and how we might work together. If this content is helping you, then subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. And check the description box below for all of my free resources, including my free Shopify bookkeeping blueprint and the link to join my Facebook community. Let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover in the future. I'm here to help you. I'm Veronica Wasek. I'll see you next time.